Bill K, Bougie Moms over 40, Litmus Bosom Tea. So this is the automation that I just built that literally downloads Minecraft gameplay, download music, background, and podcast of a popular person like Neil deGrasse Tyson or Lex Fridman or any other kind of popular person. It combines everything together after extracting all the information using a Whisper model, and then it just executes a command and grabs all the output and structures it and makes it easy to pretty much like grab the viral output of the video, specifically the actual text and all sorts of other bells and whistles, and just concatenates the video and effectively splits it into multiple chunks and just makes it super easy to generate one singular video after looping over from multiple chunks, and just after it finishes doing so locally on a computer, I'm running and it's literally an extenuation version of ThreadSpot's themes, but the idea behind this is relatively simple. You just run this automation, you can run it on a background on your computer while doing your daily chores and anything else when it comes to building your feudal kingdom and your digital empire. And ideally what you want to be doing is you execute this automation, give it a little bit of breathing room to wait until all of those processes settle down and until the actual Docker environment finalizes itself. So this is a Docker virtual container, which is basically running a bunch of files. Those segmented files are, think of it sort of like a Linux box that is running on a computer. And it's my physical computer. This is my setup over here. And as you can see, this is just kind of a quick container, and inside of the container there's a volume. That volume has a persistent storage, so any data is not lost. It's part of that volume, and the idea here behind it is you use those containers sort of like virtual computers to interface directly with your automations and be able to build a bunch of bots that do all sorts of things like creating content for you, talking for you on threads, promoting your content on the internet, and doing all sorts of bells and whistles, creating far-looking videos. Like, for example, when you upload things into Telegram, specify a prompt that just creates an animated video of this, then you could literally extenuate that with a spreadsheet. I already made that available for you guys, where you could literally just populate a bunch of pieces of information, and it will create, like, a bunch of animated videos. Right now, that 2 minutes is almost done, and as soon as this 2 minutes is done, it's going to jump into the next step, which is uploading to Google Cloud. I'm using Google Cloud Enterprise. It's doing this with gameplay video and music, so there's a music background. I could modify it a little bit more and show you how to choose viral music, but you want to kind of stay away from any kind of music other than making it royalty-free. That will maximize your chances of getting great exposure on YouTube, and of course that's what you want, because you want more views, and you kind of don't want to be in a situation where you don't have any views. So right now, just looking at the video progress and checking if the video is complete and generating a final video URL for YouTube, and effectively after it's done, is going to set the final URL. Basically, it's kind of like a website, and just makes it easy for the next step to take place, which is OpenAI model that will go through this entire video and will provide great automatic description and title, and it will go ahead and upload everything in a Google Sheet, and from the Google Sheet is going to have everything that is needed for you in terms of having the singular video that could be uploaded right away to YouTube. And of course, that's what it does. It's already, like, this video is getting kind of a bit long, but that's what it's doing right now. Boom, it just generated the whole thing. It's updating the Google Sheet as we speak. And yeah, guys, so effectively, this is what the automation is, and then it triggers every single day, etc. to YouTube. And as you can see, it's executed successfully. And if I could kind of go ahead and look at the Google Sheets, it's basically there.
So as you can see, ThreadSpot's quotes is already created. It includes the captions, includes video URL, includes all sorts of bells and whistles. And if I was to click on the video, this is what the video would look like. The bottom part, you could have a gameplay, but I chose my wife to include her in there.
Try to be useful. Do things that are useful to your fellow human beings, to the world. It's very hard to be useful. Very hard. Are you contributing more than you consume? Can you try to have a positive net contribution to society?
So to make the long story short, guys, what this automation does, it just generates everything, and you guys already seen an example of that, but what it does next is just uploads it to YouTube and makes it easily available for you. So this way, how you could increase your chances of getting more leads. You're starting out with a famous person, like a podcaster, and including your brand in a mix. This is called ThreadSpot's Quotes. If you guys want access to it, I could hook you up for free and give you the automation blueprint. I'm gonna make it available for you in my bio link, bio.link/Freedom Fusion System. But if you guys want to join my community, jump in, it's free. This is where you could DM the word PAF on my Insta, or just go to here, FUD Community on the Go, and just go to bio.link/Freedom Fusion System. And I'm going to make it available, ThreadSpot's Quotes over here. It's not available here now, but I'll make it available soon.